Hello foodies, today we're going to be making a meat potato and onion pie. Let's get started. For that, you'll need to mix in a small mixing bowl some yogurt, some salt, and 3 whole eggs. You'll also be adding a teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder, and as well as half cup of sunflower oil or any other flavorless oil, and mix it. So you will begin with 4 cups of flour and you will be adding as you go. You want to add your yogurt and eggs mixture into a well in your flour and mix it well with a spoon or a spatula, whatever is comfortable for you. So you want to give it a good mix, and then you want to go ahead and add your cold cubed butter and just crumble it as if you're doing a pastry. So once all combined, you're going to have a very soft and very buttery dough. Just cover it and set it aside. For the filling, you'll need some onion and potato, which you need to cube. And then you're going to add it. And then you're going to add your cubed meat. Then you're going to go ahead and add your favorite spices. I went with paprika and I went with coriander powder, as well as some salt, pepper, and a little bit of sunflower oil or any flavorless oil. And then you want to go ahead and give it a good mix. To begin constructing your pie, you'll need to butter your baking pan or baking dish, whatever you're using. Butter it well with some room temperature butter and spread the first part of your dough onto the. And of course, you'll want to divide your dough into 2 unequal parts. The bigger amount of dough will be going to the bottom of the pie. Once you're done spreading it evenly onto the baking dish, you'll want to place your filling, the whole filling, into the center of the pie dough. Once you're done with your filling, you'll want to roll out the second part of your dough and place it onto the top of your filling. So here I placed some cubed room temperature butter that was left over onto my filling. It's just going to give you a more buttery and moist filling once the pie is cooked. Once you've finished constructing your pie, you'll want to mix some 3 tablespoons of yogurt, as well as one whole egg, and some salt and some pepper. You could also even add some spices. Spread it evenly onto your pie top and place it into the oven at around 180 Celsius degrees. And my pie took around 50 minutes. It depends on your oven, so just please keep checking your pie, and once it's all done and bubbly, you're all done. Once I was done with my pie, I just made these fork designs which would stay after your pie is all baked. You could do whatever you like, whatever you prefer. And after that, I just sprinkled on top some sesame seeds and some black seeds. Whoa, now look at that. That is amazing. It smells amazing at your house once you bake this. So just cut into it as you wish. I went through around 3 or 4 times on each side, and you're all done. Take out a slice of it and you see your amazing filling, and it just smells amazing. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to support and like this video and share if you would like to make your friends happy as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and bon appetit.